Gamo-gamo?
superstitions or pamahigit want for the souls of the departed, making their presence felt. Some want a distinct marking called eye spots, which they use as part of their defense mechanism to intimidate predators. Man has learned to harness this form of protection through establishment of magical systems and sorcery predating Spanish colonial times.
Ang ganda. Very minimalist lang siya. Gamo-gamo. Siya lang yung pinakamagandang gamo-gamo. Sunflower.
Umali, nestled in Baguio's vine-encrusted mountains, is the symbol of Baguio's glory, the sunflower, depicting the sunny disposition of Baguio and its people. Adorned in the golden sunflower hues, a lioness prowls night and day, ensuring Baguio's beauty is preserved. She is strong and proud,
Simple lang
like the
siya.
heritage that she
Tara?
carries.
Oo, si Tara.
Designer, Urchin de la Serna.
Pak! May bulaga eh, no?
Bantayan Island.
Ganda! Ang kulay!
The northernmost island in Cebu province,
Oh.
Isla Sabantayan, is a coastal paradise with a wide variety of unique plant species that all add to the island's world of pristine beaches, land, and particularly marine flora.
Ang ganda niya! Ang kulay!
Designer, Art Dawn.
Ang ganda niya guys. Ay! Ano pala? Ah! Parang isda-isda something. May ano sa likod din. May parang ayun.
Batangas.
Ano yung tawag doon? Parang tutubi something. Ganda yun.
Reina Villafera. This national costume celebrates the symbolic relationship
Parang
between
tubi-
trees and
tutubi.
the fruit ng Kapeng Barako, highlighting
Kapeng
how the
Barako.
bee's pollination process contributes to the proliferation of these coffee flowers, thus enriching the biodiversity and agricultural landscapes of Batangas.
Wait lang guys.
Kaita.
Oh, putang inang ganda! Ang ganda gagi!
Inspired by the town's legend of Jacinta, this architectural floral piece depicts the splendid garden with Cainta's prolific patat flower taking center stage. Like Jacinta, Miss Cainta's grandmother taught her that transformation can only bloom when we root ourselves in the power of compassion. With the patat's delicate petals, this costume symbolizes the soft hearts of the women of Cainta. Yet, underneath, they are rooted
Ang
in
ganda.
resilience that speaks to the strength of their soul.
Kulay.
Designer, Axel Ken.
Ganda.
Spirits of two lands. channeling their beauty and strength.
Pansinin nyo guys, ginaya niya si Chinese Palacio ng 2023. Oh. Yan din position ni ano niya.
Designer Edwin Uy. The legend.
Iloilo City.
Puta, sasapuntan na kayong lahat. Gagamba siya guys. Ano, ready na ba kayo sa putan? Lahat kayo. Si Alexi Brooks na ba talaga?
Alexis costume
Pakak.
sports a bodysuit with sparkling multicolored details arranged in a design that resembles an 8-leg critter called Ecto.
Virgin, barangay Virgin!
Term for an orb weaver spider.
May barangay na,
Vital to
bili!
spider symbolism is ingenuity. Its gentle yet complex grabs remind us how to be creative and persistent artisans, urging us to
Hey.
weave our dreams with meaning and
Patay kayo kay
precision.
kay Alexis.
Designer.
Sisip-sipin ng mga dugo. Patay kayo, gagamba. Sasaputan na kayo lahat. Poging gundo. Siya lang na ibang costume simula ng unta. Pak. Oh.
Kalangka.
Pampanga.
Wala bagay siya maging alena. Guys, bagay siya maging alena, no? Ang ganda gagi. Para siyang ano.
Indong Tibuan, ang dakilang nidulo ng mga Kapampangan. This is Indong Tibuan, a story of the rich culture of the Kapampangans. Indong Tibuan is the earth goddess who mainly focuses on the prosperity of agriculture as well as the well-being and preservation of nature. This ensemble represents the mighty Carabaos of Arayat that pastures the vast fields in the foot of the mountain. The birds represents the majestic migratory aviary in the swamp of Gandaba.
Isa ka ng diwata.
Designer, Karamba.
Ibagay dito si si Ben, ano ba yun sa Facebook? Yung designer.
Pangasinan.
Atis na. Putang ganda!
Province.
Gagawin mo kasi dibo. Gusto mo kasi dibo. Ito pare sila ni Pampanga. Ni Siren pa yun. Ang ganda niya gagawin. Ang ganda
Whispers
niya.
of Tayabag. Step into a realm of botanical wonder of Quezon Province costume. Inspired by the mesmerizing jade vine, locally known as Tayabag, a rare and captivating treasure endemic to the lush landscapes of Mount Banahaw. This
Mount
enchanting
Banahaw.
tower embodies the unique beauty and essence of a vine that not only dazzles with its surreal turquoise
Ang
blossoms,
ganda niya
but also
gagawin.
offers edible delights with flowers shaped like an exotic bird's beak.
Pak, mambanahan.
Designer, Amir Sali.
Ikot pa. Gagi. Ang ganda niya. Paniki ito, gagi. Ito ang pinakamaganda tong paniki na to. Paniki, si Kirino lumaban.
Crown Flying Fox.
Di ba paniki?
That symbolizes the lost flora
Naku,
of
lagot
Quirino
kayo.
province.
Dudumugin kayo ng mga
Flies elegantly
paniki.
embrace her body, reflecting the interconnectedness of the diverse ecosystems in the Sierra Madre Mountains. Perched atop, her head is a regal crown, honoring the cultural heritage and resilience of
Ang ganda rin ni Kirino.
As a proud inhabitant of the majestic mountain range, Quirino's costume embodies the beauty and diversity of the rich flora and fauna that she calls home. Designer Michael Barassi.
Ito lalakas mo. Stefan. Ang ganda rin ng anong costume niya.
The elaborated costume ensemble was executed in a silver avant-garde bodysuit that includes pearls, scale-like embellishments, fish structural peplum at the side of the legs, and silver pearl tassels that exhibits the Lake of San Pablo.
Oh, dinosaur, lagot kayo. Dadagadan kayo niya. Tamara. Dinosaur daw.
This national
Oh.
costume is a stunning representation of Philippine culture, showing inspiration from the magnificent monitor lizard and its native
Lizard. Akala ko
tree.
dinosaur.
The majority of them known to the locals
Lizard pala.
as halo are located in the isolated regions of
Ah.
Tacloban and Region 8. In the face of difficulties like destruction and climate change, the monitor lizard halo serves as a reminder of the significance of resilience and adaptation. Flora and fauna of our Philippine seas and the
Oh,
Tacloban
tagig.
This design embodies the beauty, essence, and importance of our oceans. Its essential coral
Para siyang,
gardens,
alam niyo yung
and the
parang
rich and
petals.
world-renowned marine biodiversity of our country's waters. Apple flower beautifully captures the vibrant color.
Yes!
Ano siya? Ano ang tawag doon? Yung parang seahorse. Hindi siya seahorse.
Gilded
Dami.
harmony,
Ano,
a tribute to Zambales.
Ano ba ito?
The Golden Ewe pays homage to Zambales' mineral resources and economic strength. The costume celebrates
Ang ganda rin,
wildlife
gagi.
conservation with intricately sculpted animals, motifs like peacock,
Ang ganda niya, guys. Wala. Yung bewang niya parang wala.
zebra, and lions from
Pak.
Subic Safari. It represents the harmony between humans and nature. It serves
Parang
as a
siyang
testament to art.
Para siyang si Nicki Minaj. Yung, alam niyo yung kanta niya na ano ba to? Like pyramid ata yun. Ganun.
Culture and culture. It embodies Zambales' essence, inviting all to admire its beauty and embrace unity and prosperity. A jaw-dropping dress for a beauty that is no less Zambales. Designer Shomar Peralta.
Panis. Pak! Inudyosa. Naku, matatalo tayo nito. Patay tayo dun. Ito ang ganda niya.
Candidates in their national costume.
Pasabog.
Alright, I guess we are ready to announce the top 3.
Ooh, okay.
Top 3 ko din natin. Kasi yung pinakamaganda.
You are part of the top 3 best in national costume, starting with Southern California, Jeanette Lee Hamon.
Sabi ng California. Tingnan natin kung saan kung ano po.
Let's give Southern California another round of applause. Congratulations.
Top 3.
Alright. The second spot is yours. Congratulations, Ilo City.
Oh, putang Oh my God! Ang ganda niya, Gagi! Gagampang niya lumaban! Ang gagamba niya, Gagi! Putang naman! So, diba? Sinaputan kayong lahat. Sinaputan kayo ni Alexis, no, Pak? Hala, sino kayo susunod? Hinalo kaya si ano?
And to complete our top 3 best in national costume, congratulations, Tacloban, Tamara Ocher.
Tacloban. Oo, maganda rin sa kanya. Ay, oo, yung ano. Ano bang tawag dun? Top 3. Nasa putan ni Alexis lahat, oh.
And thank you to our presenters. Thank you for loving our culture through art.
What a gleaming night filled with beauty, confidence.
I am Harmony Gabriel.
This has been Miss Universe Philippines 2024 National Costume Competition, where history meets beauty.
And where stories become masterpieces.
Okay guys, yun na, top 3.